Hi everybody, this is Neelam Tuteja, founder of Karishma Care Foundation. Right now I'm at flood affected city Sangli. You all are aware about the damage the flood has caused in this Maharashtra area. So I'm on my way to village Hirapur. Karishma Care Foundation in association with the collector of Sangli, Mr. Chaudhary, as well as the associate collector, Mr. Anna Sahib, and Tehsildar of various areas are going to collect certain items. So we are on our way to Hirapur, where we are going to donate Karishma Care sanitary pads to which are I think around 10,000 number today. And we would like to make an appeal to all my friends, supporters and donors who wish to support Sangli area to come forward, join us and associate with us. And we are collecting certain items, like firstly is the grains, which are the must, as well as hygiene kit, which will include towels, sanitizers, and no clothes and